Namaste students, we'll start chapter 12, Give and Take. Kinari sells 3 beads in the bazaar. She sells loose beads and necklaces of 10 beads each. Regia wants 12 beads, so Kinari gives her 1 necklace and 2 loose beads. So now you find how many necklaces and loose beads the other children take. So here some children names are there: Regia, Rima, Arif, Sonu, Simar. Beads, how many beads are there? So 12 beads, 17 beads. Regia took 12 beads, Rima took 17 beads, Arif took 24 beads, Sonu took 35 beads and Simar took 31 beads. So one necklace consists of 10 beads. Remember, here you see one necklace each of 10 beads and loose beads is 2. So here Regia took 12 beads, means one full necklace and 2 more extra. So here Rima 17 beads she has taken, means one full necklace and another 7 loose beads. So here Arif took 24, means 2 full necklaces and 4 loose beads. So Sonu took 35, means here 3 full necklaces and 5 loose beads. So Simar took 31, means 3 full necklaces and 1 loose bead. So how many beads are taken by Regia and Rima together? So Regia and Rima, so 12 plus 17 you have to add. Then next come to here in this page, Regia took 1 full necklace and loose 2. Then Rima, she also took 1 full necklace and 7 loose beads. Regia has 1 necklace and 2 beads. Rima has taken 1 necklace and 7 beads. So you can write it like this. So 1 necklace, full necklace and 1 bead. Okay. So means 1 is in 10th place and 2 is in 1's place. So both 12 plus 17 you can add. So first let us take all the loose beads together and count. 1 necklace, 2 beads, another necklace, 7 beads. So here you see 12 plus 17, 2 plus 7 equal to 9 here given, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 29. So these are 9 loose beads. So I write 9 in the box. So now you see in the same 12 beads are there, 7 beads are there. So total 29. 12 plus 17, 29. So now take all the necklaces together and count. So these are 2 necklaces, so I write 2 in this box. I got it. Regia and Rima have 2 necklaces and 9 beads in all. That is right. Regia and Rima have 29 beads in all. So here practice time. So how many beads are taken by Regia and Sonu together? Regia took 10 plus 2, 12 and Sonu. How many Sonu was taken? So here you see 3 necklaces, full necklaces means 30 and 5 beads means 5. So total 35. So 2 plus 5 equal to 7 and 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So total together how many beads are there? So you can add and you can write here. Total 7 beads are taken by Regia and Sonu. So now we will see total how many they have taken. 1 extra necklace. Beads taken by Rima and Arif. Rima has taken 17 and Arif has taken 2 necklaces and 4 beads extra. So 24. Right now add them. Rima has 17 beads, Arif has 24. So I must first count all the loose beads together. Okay, so there are 11 loose beads. What do I write in the box? You see here the loose beads are there, 7 plus 4 equal to, how to write? Yes, then we have to see how we are going to write. 10 loose beads make one necklace, right? So add one more to take the necklace. I write a small one to remember one extra necklace. So 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 11 means with 10 beads one necklace, means it become one necklace. So I have to remember that and I have to write 1 over there. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, now how many beads will there be? So total 2 necklaces, here also 2 necklaces and 1 bead extra. I write 1 in the bead box. Yes, good. Now count all the necklaces. Total all necklaces you have to count. So total there are 4 necklaces. I write 4 in the necklace box and 1 beads extra. So Rima and Arif have 4 necklaces and 1 bead in all. Yes, Rima and Arif have 41 beads in all, means 4 necklaces and 1 bead extra. So that is total 41. So I can do it very fast in another way. Simple. If Arif gives 3 to Rima, Rima will have to 20. Arif will have 21. So 20 plus 21 equal to 41. Can you do in the same way by writing? So without writing, how many beads do they have together? So Rima 17, Sonu 35, all together how many beads are there? So that you can do here and you can send me. So here in this place you can add and you can send me. And Sonu has dash more beads than Arif. Okay, how many beads? More. Arif has dash more beads than Razia. How many more beads? कितना ज़्यादा है? That you have to write. Then how many more beads does Simar have than Rima? So here Simar and Rima, how many beads are there? So you can write it. So how will you take away 7 beads from 1 bead? Simar has 31 beads, Rima has 17. Open one necklace to Simar. So Simar will have 2 necklaces and 11 beads. To remember, I will cross 3 and write a small 2 in the necklace box. Also write a small 1 in the bead box to remember there are 11 beads. Okay. Yes. So now it is easy. You can take away 7 beads from 11. So Simar 2 necklaces and 4 beads. So Rima 1 necklace, and because she has taken, so that's why taken away 1. So yes, I have written 4 in the box, bead box. So now that was quick. Now take away 1 necklace from 2 necklaces. So you can take 1 necklace from 2 necklaces. So that's why 1 necklace would come to that side. So now remaining 1 necklace, I have written 1 in the necklace box. So Simar has 1 necklace and 4 beads more than Rima. Simar has 14 beads more than Rima. So practice time here. Tanisha has 17 pencils, Sia has 25 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? So Tanisha 17, Sia 25. So you can add, if Sia gives 3 pencil, then Tanisha will have 20. Sia will have 22 pencils. It is easy to add 20 plus 22. So 3 pencils you have to give, it will become 20. Then in Muniza's class, there are 13 English storybooks and 22 Hindi storybooks. How many storybooks are there in all? 13 plus 22. So you can add. Then Sakshi had 23 fruits. She ate 15 fruits. How many fruits are left? So here minus. So 23 minus 15. So 23 fruits are there. She ate 15. So 23 means 15 should be deducted from 23. Daljit has 35 marbles. Arvind has 25 marbles. So how many marbles do they have in all? So Nisha has 32 bangles. Sukhi has 16 bangles. How many more bangles does Nisha have? So that also you can find it. 32 minus 16. Venkatesh canteen. Help Venkatesha to make the bill. Dosa and Uttapam, 23 rupees dosa and 28 rupees Uttapam. So total you can add, you can count. So then idli 15 rupees, coffee 8 rupees. That also total you can do. Then one dahi vada 25 rupees, chili rice 18 rupees. So total also you can do. Then soup 27 rupees, noodles 15 rupees. That also you can add. In such a way, the bill also preparation and addition also you can do it. Then it's time to buy. Oh, you again, more homework. No, this time I have to buy 8 pencils and 5 erasers. 8 pencils and 5 erasers. Sure, the pencils cost 16 rupees. The eraser cost 15 rupees. 16 rupees means one 10 rupee note and one 6 1 rupee coins. Okay, one 10 rupee note, 6 1 rupee coins. So I can write this like this, 16 plus 15. So you can add. So now you already learned. So 6 plus 5 equal to 11 and 1 will be carried. Okay, so that will become 10 means total 30, 31 it will become. Then I put the coins together. There are 11 coins, that becomes 10 rupee note and 1 coin. So 16 plus 15. So how it will become? You can add. So very good. Now you can see there are 3 notes in all. So 16 plus 15. So you can add. So 6 plus 5 equal to 1. Then 1 you can carry, 10 rupee note can carry. Then it will become 1 plus 1 and another 10 rupee. So become 31 total. I have to pay 31 rupees, but I have rupees 40. So find out how much money you can get back. So 40 rupees and 31. 31 rupees you have to give back. Means here, so out of that from 40 rupees, 10 will carry. So from 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So I will get back 9 rupees here. So here 9 rupees you have to get back. The next practice time. Shekhar has 32 rupees. He bought a ball for 17 rupees. How much money is left with him? So 32 minus 17. I have a shortcut. If I take away 2 coins from 32 and 2 coins from 17, I will be left with 30 minus 15. Sony bought biscuits for 24 rupees and a packet of chips for 16 rupees. How much money will she pay? So 24 plus 16. So try doing without writing. So without writing you can do. Fontus and 64 rupees. See, Fontus had 64 rupees. He spent 39 rupees at the fair. So how much money is left with him? Also find a way to do this without writing. So these two, 64 plus minus 39, you can also deduct. So these are the some of the addition and subtraction by using money and some bills and by using beads we have learned today. So now you can write these questions and practice in your book and you can send it to me. Okay students, so this is what for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.